It's Josh here at the Orange Grove Markets in Sydney. I've got something exciting to show you. Come on. They're called Beeswax Wraps, and it's an eco-sustainable solution to single-use plastic. Now, they're naturally antibacterial, so you can trust that your food will stay fresher longer. Many of our prints are from local indigenous artists and a whole lot prettier than plastic wrap.
Yeah, the first time I discovered Beeswax Wraps, I was blown away. It's a fantastic product. I can't believe not more people use them. With Beeswax Wrap, you don't need Glad Wrap anymore. So it's a little bit that I think everyone can do.
Now our single wraps are perfect for starting or topping up your collection. And our value packs like this one are completely customizable and the perfect gift for any occasion. And if you really want to wrap more goodies and have specific sizing requirements, you can purchase by the meter and cut them however you need. So ditch the plastic wrap and use a washable, reusable, antimicrobial beeswax wrap.